Hello everyone, this is Bhavik Choksi this side. Hope your studies are going great and you guys are doing well. So this is about the amendment series that we are about to start for paper 1 financial reporting. As you guys would be aware, the institute has issued new study materials for paper 1. Earlier you had 7 modules covering financial reporting of the new course. Now the institute has rearranged a few topics and we now have 6 modules. So there is uncertainty on the changes that have come in the module. So we are going through those changes and we have outlined close to 100 to 110 items where there are specific differences which the institute has made. So now the number might appear to be large, it might appear to be alarming, but frankly a lot of these changes are new sums being added or a few sums where there were errors in the earlier modules being removed. So and there are few topics as well where there have been fundamental changes in accounting as well. So something like in government grants, in let us say barter where you have a fair value measurement, in chain holding, etc. So there have been a few changes, but largely a lot of the shifts that are there in the study material are basically in new sums being added, a bit of clarifications being given, and a few concepts where there was uncertainty being removed. So it is very difficult, I can understand, for you to go through each and every section to figure out the areas that have changed. So what we would be doing right from the coming week, from this Monday itself, would be we would be taking topic wise each topic, videos of around 5 to 10 minutes each, so that it does not consume a lot of your time at one go, and we would be discussing changes topic wise. So for example, we'll do Ind AS 38 and the changes that the institute has done in Ind AS 38 as compared to what was there earlier. And remember, for your May and November 19 exams, you have to stick through the changes that have been done by the institute, specifically in the new study material. So there is quite a lot of material, and hence we are not putting it together as one video. Instead, we would be spreading it over this month, where you would cover each and every amendment, whether a new sum has been added, a sum has been removed, a treatment is changed, or a new concept being introduced in the first place. So each and everything will be covered. So this is very helpful for students who have done coaching with us, or even students who have studied from the ICAI material. We will do it directly from the institute's material only, so that whatever notes you have, you can directly refer the institute's material at a later stage for practice as well. So we'll be going topic wise. How it would go is we would have videos roughly of around 5 to 10 minutes where we would discuss the changes in each of the respective Ind AS, doing through the study material, and at the end we will summarize the changes. So I hope this would be a helpful exercise for you. In case you are interested, I would encourage you to subscribe to our channel and be updated with all the updates that we would be getting along. Okay, thank you very much, and see you back on Monday.